Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and I'm presenting you amazing transformation of long gel nails which was done with fantastic famous Russian nail technician nicknamed Andrew Teddy Bear. So let's watch to the end his work and you will be amazed with the final result. As you can see, Andrew prefers doing long gel nails. He is very famous with how he does, especially how he does its shape. Teddy Bear is very strong and he works with the gel product so fast and shape gel nails so easy. So you can guys learn a lot from him. And we just can start how he prepares the nail plate. He pays maximum attention of how he does it. A lot of people arguing and scolding Andrew about that he shaped too much the nail plate before placing the gel product. But in the other case, guys, let's take a look how perfectly the product stays on his client's nails, and after 2 or 3 weeks the clients are coming back without any gapes on their nail plates, without any problems, and their nail plates looks even more healthy than nail plates of people who even never done their nails. I want to say, guys, that this man does his work perfectly. And it's not need to criticize him about any things. For doing this set of gel nails, Andrew has removed the gel product, and at first he is preparing nails using the nail file. It's removing all areas which are bulky and lifted areas of the nail plate. After he starts working with the grown area of the nail, he is shaping it, removing the gloss and shape it too much in the cuticles area to prepare this area of the placing of the product. After he is applying the gel primer, especially he is using the gel primer because the acid primer doesn't work at all, but the gel primer works like a double-sided scotch tape. He puts client's hands in LED lamp and cure the gel primer in 1 minute in LED lamp, and after he's placing the following layer of the base gel or the sculpting mix gel. This is the very thin layer which penetrates even to the nail plate as a primer, so this is the following additional layer to make the perfect base cut. After it has been cured in LED lamp in 1 minute, he's placing the sculpting layer. As you can see, he's working with the sculpting mix gel. This is the famous Russian gel product from the main manufacturer that a lot of nail masters use in their work. That's why they have such strong, beautiful nails, and the tone is suitable for every nail plate. Very soon, guys, in the Shape of Nail TopCon will be new arrival of this amazing gel product. So you will have a chance to order this product with the democratic prices, $16 for the big container, 60 milliliters. You will never find such perfect high quality product with such adorable price. Just check the shapeofnail.com and you can order this product with free shipping all over the world to any country. I think, guys, this is the good deal and this is the good product which will be enough for doing about 100 of clients' hands. After sculpting gel nails, Andrew is curing his client's hands in LED lamp in 2 minutes. Remove the tacky layer and start shaping these nails. Andrew likes using the same color of gel because it's suitable, as I told you before, to every client, and he applies the nail design very close to cuticles because Andrew is not only shaping nails with the nail file but also removes the gel in cuticles area and from underneath of the nail plate. That's why the nail looks beautiful in all areas, and he never cuts the skin with a file while shaping in cuticles area. After that, guys, Andrew is applying the nail design. For doing this nail design, Andrew uses the top coat for preparing the nail over the placing gel paint or the gel polish. After that, he's applying the French manicure on some nails using thin brush number 00 or 10, and also he's using the simple brush for the gel polish for applying the gel polish or gel paint on the whole nail plate. By the way, this is the gel paint for the French manicure by Giorgio Cappuccini, which is also available on shapeofnail.com. This is the special gel paint which allows you to draw very thin lines, detail paintings, and all ornamental nail designs, which will you never apply with other brand or other kind or other type of the gel paint. So I suggest you guys to use it and try it. You will be amazed with this quality, because no one customer has never was disappointed with this product. We had all good and perfect feedbacks about this gel paint, and it will be enough for many clients. As you can see, guys, on this video, Andrew is applying the skin of the cow or the leopard. I think it's more similar like the cow skin, and he uses the same gel paint for drawing this print. This is very beautiful design, and I think that especially on this shape of nail it looks amazing. I think on Andrew's perfect shapes of nails, every nail design looks amazing. I think you agree with me, guys. By the way, guys, in our videos I will be using my personal compositions and my personal music, which I am recording by myself, because I was the music creator from my childhood, but I stopped doing this many years ago, and now I'm deciding to come back to this, because sometimes when I publish music on my videos, when I'm cover voicing and music, sometimes some social networks like Instagram, they are removing the music because those composition tracks were taken from other authors. I decided never take other authors' music, even free music, and never placing on my videos, and I decided to place only my music, my personal made music. I'm author of all these compositions. That's why I will never worry about some social network block my videos because of some reasons. Now I'm author of all this you see. I'm author of the music, cover voicing, and Andrew exclusively gives his tutorials to me, and we work together. We are brothers. Andrew Teddy Bear is my brother, and this is our family business. We give you this perfect content, and we hope you would enjoy it, and you would give your feedbacks, comments, likes. So guys, let's take a look on the final result. I found these nails are so beautiful, amazing, elegant. If you think so, please don't forget to click that like button, support Andrew, and give him your donut, I mean the like and the comment. And this is the best donuts for us, for nail masters who want to share our skills and experience to you, our friends. Thanks for watching. We love you. Bye. See you tomorrow.